Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we're going to talk about a product that was sent to me by this company called Lumary, and it's a smart water timer. And the way that this works is you actually put it on your hose, connect it up, turn it on, and then you program your phone to run a certain schedule to have the water turn on and off whenever you choose. All right, so let's open it up, let's see what's in the box, and let's take a look at it. We're going to set it up, and we're going to see how it works. All right, so let's open it up and see. Okay, so this is the box itself. Let's open it up and see what it comes with. All right, of course it comes with your traditional owner's manual that you can actually follow along and do everything. It comes with a connector. It looks like a roll of Teflon tape and a connector for your hose or your irrigation system in the ground. It comes with a washer that connects up to your hose on the outside, and of course it comes with the device itself, and it also comes with the USB connection here that you need to plug into your electrical service so that it can actually communicate with the unit itself. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to look inside here. This has the washer in it already, so this could just be a spare washer right now, but we'll see how that goes. So this goes onto your house, connects onto the outlet, your water outlet, and then this connects onto your hose outlet. Let me read the directions and we'll see how this works, but we'll set it up and we'll see how it goes. All right, so let me read through the directions here. We'll come right back and we'll set this all up. All right, so it's fairly easy. This is the button to turn it off and on. On the side right here, and there's an LED light on there that connects up to it. The two fittings go on the ends right here, which is fairly simple. This is our distribution network indicator. This is called a gateway, is what they're calling it. And this has to be plugged in. You plug this into a USB connector inside your home or outside your house, wherever you choose to, and that gives it the distance to communicate with the timer itself. All right, and then to log into it, you just download the Lumary app, which is fairly easy. You could download it on the App Store or scan it in here, and you could download it there as well. You register, set up an account, and log in, and then you connect your device, and you just follow this fairly easy. It was actually so simple, it took me not even 5 minutes, and it was all set up and ready to go. And then you pair your timer with it, and then you set up your schedule as you choose to. And of course you can manually water it too. And if you wanted to stop the watering, and if it rained out that day and you didn't want to have it water your trees or crops or whatever, your grass, you can actually have a delay where you can delay it to turn on and run the next schedule that you had set. All right, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so we opened up the back of the unit itself here. You pull this piece off on the back just like this here. Pull it off. You put two AA batteries in there. The AA's do not come with the unit itself. We put the new batteries in. We followed directions how to go, positive and negative. And now we put the cover back on. It's just a seal that seals it so the moisture doesn't get into it. So there's a rubber seal right here. So we just take it, put it on there like that, push it down, and now this battery compartment is now waterproof, and it doesn't matter if it gets wet outside because it is waterproof. All right. Next thing we did is we followed the directions in the book here. We downloaded the app onto our phone, and I'll get in closer so you can see. I don't know if you can see that, but we downloaded the app on our phone. We then hit the plus sign up on top right here, like that, and we added the device and just followed it along in the directions. It's fairly easy. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it's just a matter of following the directions itself. So this is what it looks like once you have everything all connected up on your phone, and this is what you would press to turn this on and off by itself. You just press it and it turns the unit on. Press it again, it turns it off. You could set up a schedule. You wanted to set it for the duration, you could set it up for whatever you'd like. If you want to have it run for 10 minutes or whatever you choose, you want to have it run for whatever, an hour, anything you want, you can actually set it up for that. And then it will actually turn on. And when it turns on, when you turn it on, it'll actually run for that period of time. Okay? You could also set up a schedule down here if you want to set up a regular watering schedule. And then you could set it up for whenever you want it to go on and whenever you want it to go off. And you could set up every day of the week. You want to skip a day, you can do Sunday, Tuesday, skip a day, whatever the schedule is that you want, you can do it, and you can change everything inside here. But that's all pretty much fairly easy and self-explanatory in the app. But enough talking, let's get over, let's connect this up to the hose, and let's see how it works. You can go back and you can look at the history of it. And you can delay it if you choose to. Delay it because it's raining out. You don't have to change your schedule. You can just hit delay and delay it for as long as you want to. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, of course, we're going to make sure that our water is off. Turn it off. Let's disconnect this hose from here. We're going to take this, screw it on just like this. Okay, first thing we're going to do, let's turn it on. Let's see if any water comes out of here, which it does. And this is your manual on and off if you choose to. All right, so let's connect this up now on here, just like this. Okay, nice and tight. Let's turn it on. All right, let's test it out and see how it works. All right, so just so we see how it is, that's our hose. Let's grab our phone. Let's go down over here, let's turn it on. And there it is. It turns on just as it's supposed to. And now this one here, I have it set, as you know, it was set for 10 minutes. So it's going to run now for 9 minutes and then shut off. All right, but here you can see it's running. And now we'll turn it off. And that's it, we turned it off. So it's a fairly easy setup, as I said. It's only a matter of connecting up to your hose itself and turning it on. Now if you choose to just run it manually, you could press that button on the side over there, that black button, and you can turn it on manually by yourself. But that's all there is to it. Okay, let's turn it on and we'll see how it does. Alright, that's it. So now we have it set for 10 minutes and it'll turn off as soon as the 10-minute timer is up. And it'll come in very handy for when we have to water our shrubs here like this. Okay, it'll come in very handy for that. And it'll come in very handy for watering our garden all the way back here. We don't have to drag the hose back and forth. We can just leave the hose out here, put a sprinkler on it, and it'll water everything every second day for us. I'll put a link down on my Amazon store so you can check it out yourself and see if something like this suits your needs. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.